Yeah, I can't carry that thing. Okay. Let's see if we can get this out without breaking it. Okay. Ooh, that's a little bit smaller than what we had before. All right. 3, 2, 1. Hello, people of the internet, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, so make sure to like and comment and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you know when I post. So let's just get to it. All right, so this is through the Amazon Vine program, which is by invitation only. I review a lot of things, primarily books, on Amazon under the name Jenny Rose. You can look for me. And so, because so many people found my reviews helpful, Amazon invited me to join the Amazon Vine program. And this was the first thing that seemed appealing. So, let's find out. They actually sent us the right item. All right. It says Elite Gourmet by Maxi Mac. You have the instruction manual. It's those are important. Programmable bread maker. Yeah, I can't carry that thing. Okay. Let's see if we can get this out without breaking it. Okay. Very good. Ooh, that's a little bit smaller than what we had before. Oh, the camera. What is this? Oh, there's a thing. Ah. Sticky tape. All right, you want to start looking through that?
Oh,
maybe
yeah.
it'll tell us what these doodads are.
So there's different parts to it. Oh,
Yes.
to give you the different description.
So we have an air vent, the viewing window, non-skid rubberish feet here, cover, the control panel, basic, quick, sweet, French, whole wheat, rye, gluten-free rice bread, sandwich, cake, whole meal dough, pizza dough, leaven dough, knead, mix, jam, yogurt, defrost, and cook. That's got a lot of settings. I have never made jam or yogurt before, so that would be interesting. Bread can.
Can that come out?
Should, maybe. I would think it would come out. I mean, it's out in the picture.
There might be a way to take it out if we read the instructions.
All right, I'm gonna try not to break it already. All right, measuring cup, measuring spoon, kneading blade, and metal hook for lifting out kneading blade. Okay, so you can make a 1 pound, a 1.5 pound, and a 2 pound. You got preset, stir, set, ferment, light, medium, dark, fruit, heat, bake, keep warm, and done.
Oh, then how should I take it out?
Okay, so let's see if we can figure out how to take this thing out. Okay, using the bread pan handle, turn the bread pan counterclockwise. Okay. Aha! Okay.
So you can't just yank it out.
Can't just yank it out. You have to do a twisting motion. Good to know.
Okay, now we know.
Now we know. All right. Welcome back. We've now washed everything, and it's pretty much dry. And now we are going to attempt a basic loaf of bread. All right, so we're going to try the 1 pound. We will put the blade down here on this pin. There we go. So that is in there. We're going to put this in and twist clockwise. Yeah, that's in. Okay.
Does it tell us what the ingredients are?
Yes. So we need 210 milliliters of water. And we have to put the ingredients in exactly as they are in here. So actually, you know what? We'll get this out and put this on the counter just so we don't accidentally spill it into the machine.
Is that 200 or is that 210? I can't tell.
That's 200. Why don't I just get another measuring thing and pour a little water in there?
Oh, that's good, right?
All right.
So we put this into this? Or
You can pour that into that. Yes.
Okay.
And I gotta find the half. So you have to do 1.5 tablespoons oil. And the tablespoon is the big side, the teaspoon is the little side. Can you get me a paper plate out so I can put this on? the oil. Now we need the salt, which is on the table. All right, now half a teaspoon. The markings are a little hard to see on this. All right, 1 tablespoon sugar. So I'm gonna try and dry the oil out so the sugar doesn't stick to the oil and therefore make a really big mess. Because, trying to follow directions and use only the utensils included in the bread machine. All right, so now we need 1 tablespoon sugar.
So the number 1 is that the measurements can be hard to read. So unless you're using like the full measurement, you might want to just use your own.
Yes. We'll test this out again using all of our own measuring and see how it goes. Now we're going to need flour, 2 1/3 cup. All right, now it does warn you not to scoop with the flour because then you'll end up accidentally adding too much flour. If you haven't seen the brownies video yet, you need to. They were delicious. All right, go ahead and pour that in. And then we need another one of those. We'll have to figure out a third cup. All right, now we got to figure out the 1/3. Yes, 1/3.
We have 3/4, 1/2, and then 1/4.
Oh, there's 1/3. All right, that'll work. All right, and then 1 teaspoon of yeast. All right, is there some fancy way I have to put the yeast in? Well, actually, it does say you're supposed to make an indentation on one side to put the yeast in. We got all the ingredients in, so I'm going to assume that I can put this thing in here and twist. Do that. All right, so we want the 1 pound. Okay, so we want the basic. So go with that. All right, so then we press the weight button. Okay. Color setting. We want light. Okay. We just want to start, I think. All right, and it has started. So, and it is, indicator on the screen is telling us it is now stirring. So, you don't have to watch this for the next 2 hours and 55 minutes. We'll be back later to show you progress.
All right.
The bread is done. Get this thing out counterclockwise. Hold this down. And we shake it out. Oh,
Oh, that looks pretty.
wow, it just like popped right off of the blade. That's impressive. All right, so it comes out easily. That's a nice feature. Towels, because, we got a taste test. It just popped right out of the thing.
Oh, really?
It's stuck on the blade.
All right. That's a nice feature.
I've also heard that you're apparently supposed to like flip it over so the top side is on the bottom side, then cut it that way, then flip it over because it's easier to cut or something.
Really?
Yeah. But I'm no expert. I'm a professional. There's a difference.
You're a professional bread cutter?
No, she's not.
Yes, I am, Mother. I don't know what you're talking about. Did you
I'm
ever
gonna
go
go
to bread cutting
bread around
school?
here. I'm gonna do a little cutting around here.
Yeah, I'm the one who watches all the cutting. So therefore, I'm a professional.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
Tastes like bread. It's good.
My piece is a little tough.
It tastes good.
It's good, but it's not as good as the other bread maker. You need to try some?
I was gonna get some for Zoe.
You got some for Zoe? Well, sure. Give her my bread. Now Cammy thinks you're giving up bread.
Zoe, are you just licking the
She's
cardboard?
licking the cardboard box that the bread machine came in. That was good.
Like, comment, and subscribe.